Hey, Max, good morning. I see we have a new tool. Can we explain me a little bit about?
Yeah, sure. I'm really excited. We have a simulation tool. It's called EcoStruxure Machine Expert Twin. And with that, we can simulate the machine, as you can see with our fair demo machine.
So, when we think about our customers, the machine builders, what benefits is in for them?
Yeah, we know that our customers want to deliver the machines fast. And we see that 60% of the commissioning time is used to identify problems between robots, multi-carrier, and so on. And with the simulation, we can parallelize that. We do not have to wait till the machine is built up, and we can start very early. And additional to that, all of that, we do not need a machine, so we can test only with a PLC. And these we can scale up to increase the quality of the machines of the OEMs.
How can I imagine this creation of a machine at the machine builder? Is the machine builder supposed to create his own objects? Does he have to start from the beginning, or do we have something prepared or prepared objects for him?
Yeah, it's both. We have catalog objects, like here, where we have all the products of us, means robots you can direct use. There is no need to program, simply drag and drop to the scene, and then you can direct use. But we also know that our customers build their own mechanics, and for that we have an import that you can import your own mechanics, like we did here for the fair desk.
That means the customer can start already in the engineering, or how is it? He has to start from the mechanic design. Is there any link to our machine expert engineering tool?
Absolute. We see that not only the simulation expert needs here support in a tool, we see that also programmers need here a tool, and for that, great news, we have integrated inside Machine Expert.
Can you show that?
Yes, sure. Let me move to Machine Expert. We have developed that already for our multi-carrier. So I can go to the application, add here my multi-carrier configuration. And to program a multi-carrier, I have to define my track. So I can click here on the objects, create here my track, and then I can auto-complete the track. And I have it automatically in 3D. And I can write that or create automatically my code for these. Here I have a demo project. It's also already prepared on a PLC. So I can direct move to the visualization, and here you see we have integrated our Machine Expert Twin also to Machine Expert. And with a simple click on Connect, we know which object we want to simulate, we know which PLC we have, so we can direct start the simulation, and inside Machine Expert I can see my multi-carrier working correctly here. And please have also look on the products. We can simulate the product inside Machine Expert and change here colors and see here the track in real life with a real PLC running.
Okay, that means I, as a machine builder, I can start from my engineering. I do not need a dedicated simulation know-how. It's especially in the beginning. It's integrated in my product, in my workflow, and I can use this now and put it in the Machine Expert Twin in this concerto grosso of my machine. Right?
Exactly. As you have seen with the generation of the multi-carrier, you can directly reuse that. There's no need to program it new.